Right, big India-China talks currently on the line of actual control situation. So there are more and more talks, remember, ever since the disengagement has started. Talks on how to stop the repeat of the Galwan clash. India-China to be discussing learnings from 2021 standoff, focusing on more military and diplomatic level talks as well. India Today, Shivani Sharma, who's closely tracking this border area specific and the kind of talks that are happening on this, is joining me now live from Delhi. Shivani, when are we expecting these talks? Has it already been in process? And what is the focus here?
Pooja, see, the dialogue is an ongoing process, and in this ongoing process, the 32nd round of WMCC meeting has already been done in the national capital yesterday. That is on 5th of December. And this, remember, is a MEA level talk that happens on the diplomatic level. And as we also heard Dr. S. Jaishankar, the Minister for External Affairs, in both the houses, the upper and the lower houses, where he has apprised about the situation along the line of actual control and emphasizing that how India is trying to pursue China to de-escalate after the disengagement has happened. And these talks, Pooja, are an ongoing process. And what has been very important out here to note is that after this dialogue that has happened, the WMCC meeting, that's the 32nd round of WMCC meeting, there is a statement that says that both the countries need to learn from what happened in 2020 in Galwan. And learning from that clash, they are both trying to maintain peace and tranquility, because that will be the basis of the future relationship between the India and China. Pooja.
All right, Shivani, thank you very much for that update. So we'll be tracking all the latest on what happens. And eventually, it's about, remember, as much the border starters, but our troops deployed specifically in sub-zero temperatures right now. Thank you very much.